Welcome to day 3. In the last video we stored data in variable like this, but there is a problem. This is a static. It means the name is fixed to decay. Real software talks to the user. It asks questions. Today we will learn the input function to make our code interactive. We use a function called input. Inside the brackets, we type the question we want to ask. To run the code, we write Python and our file name called yt.py. When our code runs, here we will enter our name like I have typed Rohan. So here you can see this, hello Rohan, print. Now let's try something mathematical. I will ask for age and try to add 1 8 to it. Let's. While running the code, enter 20. Let's see, like it crashed. We got a type error. Why? Because input always takes data as a string called text. Even you type a number, you cannot add a number to text. To fix this, we need to convert the string into an integer. We wrap the input inside int function. Now, if you run our Python program and enter your age, if you enter 19, it will run. This is called typecasting. In the next video, we will perform magic with text strings. Subscribe for day 4.